In the ever-changing world of nail fashion, new styles remain as timeless and adaptable as dark nail polish. In some professional fields, individuals use their nail art as part of their personal branding to set themselves apart and stand out in their industry. Nail art goes beyond personal choice. It's an art form with cultural and social importance. It may cultures Nail art holds cultural significance with traditional designs and patterns incorporated into nail art to celebrate heritage and customs. Dark nail polish has always been popular for several reasons. First off, it's super versatile, fitting in with both relaxed and fancy outfits. Nail art trends spread quickly through social media platforms, creating communities of nail art enthusiasts. These trends and communities influence fashion and style on a global scale. Nail art has contributed to challenging gender stereotypes and promoting conversations about inclusivity and self-expression. Modern dark nail polish comes in a bunch of captivating colors. It's strong, adaptable, and always in fashion, ideal for a night out or adding some mystery to your everyday life. The rise of nail art coincides with the broader self-care movement, encouraging individuals to prioritize their well-being and engage in activities that make them feel good. It's a fantastic choice for fancy events or when you want to feel extra classy. Dark blue nails are both calming and bold. You can go from midnight navy to deep sapphire. They are great for a moody, intimate look, especially in the colder months. Charcoal gray nails are stylish and a bit unconventional. They offer a sophisticated alternative to black, making you stand out with style. The popularity of nail art has created a substantial economic impact, driving the growth of the nail care and beauty industries, generating revenue and job opportunities. Nail art has influenced from other art forms, from fashion to interior design, serving as a source of inspiration for various creative individuals.